Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a blow dryer Dutch pour using the Kuwaiti flag colors because it's our independent and national day. So as you see, I'm laying down the base color. I'm going to cut or speed up depending. So the colors are green, black, red, and white. White is going to be showing through from the base, and I'll just let you enjoy the process. All the information that you will need are going to be in the description box below. When you see the black spot, it means my face is showing or my head, and I don't want you to see that. So enjoy, and I will come back for any further comments or more information. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Don't forget, that's the best way to support me. The angle of which I'll be blowing the paint with is going to be almost 90 degrees. As you can see, and I'm going as close as possible to the canvas on low speed and very slowly. I need to actually be slower than that, but because I wanted the paint not to mix a lot, I was going a little bit faster than I should. But if you wanted the paints to mix, you have to go a little bit slower and watch the paint ripple and mix together to give you color combinations. But since I'm limited with my colors, I didn't want the white to mix a lot with the green, and I wanted to have a clear color. I'm adding black here because I needed more black. Further ahead, you will see I'm going to remove some of the paint because I don't like the full circle of the flag, and I wanted it to look like a real flag somehow. So I will let you see what happens. I will slip, I will fix my mistakes, and I will change over and over until I get the end result that I like. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, and when I get to an important part, I will slow down back to normal so that you can see what I'm doing. And now I'm finally happy with the end result. I'm just checking to cover any missed spots, and also I'm cleaning the excess paint off the canvas or the edges of the canvas. Please wait to see the wet results and the end results. I'll take you for a close-up. Don't forget to always clean your edges and come back after 5 minutes and clean the edges, scrape them off again, and do that for 3 times because you don't want the excess paint to drag your composition. I really love this. It's so beautiful. I'll show you the dry results in a minute, but look at the details. It's so simple but so pretty at the same time. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button. That's the only support that I need from you. For any questions, leave a comment. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Bye.